Find or read reviews that people are talking for High Point Sports Hammock Camping Chair. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Hammock style seating. This rocking chair features a unique hammock style design that allows you to sit or lie down comfortably. With the help of a sturdy iron structure and innovative lifting technology, you can enjoy the gentle swaying motion of this chair without needing to rely on trees or long ropes. Designed for maximum comfort, the chair's back angle can be adjusted to your ideal position. Well-crafted materials. Made from a soft and breathable mesh fabric, this hammock camping chair is built to last. The chair's 22 mm steel tube frame is coated with a durable powder finish, and the seat is crafted from sturdy 600D Oxford fabric. For added comfort, the chair comes with a supportive pillow that cradles your head. Portable and easy to use. This swinging camp chair is simple to set up and requires no assembly. It's also incredibly portable, coming with a convenient carry case that makes it easy to transport to the beach, a sporting event, or your backyard. With its easy folding design, you can pack up and go in no time. Stable and sturdy. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, this camping lawn chair is both strong and stable. Its locking clips and sturdy frame provide added security, while its tall backrest offers ample support for your spine. Additionally, you can comfortably extend your legs off the ground to fully relax. Convenient and comfortable. This camping chair features a handy side organizer that can hold your drink, cup, or cell phone. With this convenient storage space, you can enjoy a truly hands-free experience. Plus, with its comfortable design and adjustable backrest, you can sit back and relax in total comfort. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.